Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not turn on notifications as I'm here always for you with the great contents. Okay, today we're going to start events. Uh, I created my project here, events, and do not forget to switch your branch to development, and let's start our events now. So why we using events? So I'm going to go with an explanation. Okay, just think about you have a retail and you're selling 200 or let's say 1000 products. 1000 products you are selling. You are selling. And some of them you would like to continue with selling, continue with them, and some of them you would like to stop selling. So you need to manage your stock according to this your strategy, right? For example, let's pick three different products. Let's say cell phone, hard drive, USB memory, and let's say, is there any, for example, monitor, right? And let's say this is a, so it's my bad. Let's say it's a um LCD monitor. Okay, so it's an old technology, right? So you decide you continue with the cell phone and you stop selling hard drive because everybody switching to using clouds. I'm sorry, let's hit minus. And you would like to go through with the USB memory as well. And you would like to stop selling LCD monitors. Okay, let's hit minus. So if you would like to control your stock in 1000 products, you need a software, right? So in your software, we can apply events to related products and it tell us your product is critic level and please buy some products. Or if you don't want to see the stock level, the related products like hard drive, because we didn't want to continue with this product anymore, so you didn't add any event and you won't see any message about this. Perfect. So how it's going to work then? And I guess I'm hearing why we using events that I can use just if logic. I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen if we use if logic, and I'm gonna show the difference between if and events. Okay, to do that, I'm going to create a dummy data and a product entity, I mean class, and I will show you all details about creating events and the difference between if logic and events. Okay, let's create a new class. Let's give a name product. RG. Let's make it public. Let's create a property. Let's say name. So it's going to be string. Let's say name. And integer. And this is going to be our stock level. All right. And I need a private integer for stock because I'm going to add some logic to my property. Let's keep it like that. And I would like to add a void method here to show you what's gonna happen if we sell products. Here we go. Alright, let's leave it like that as well. Let's create our logic first here, the stock level. Let's add our curly brackets. Control KD. We need another one here. No, oops, sorry. Let's delete it. All right. Control KD. Okay. The return value is going to be stock. It's coming from my field. And the set value is normally what's gonna happen if you do normally. The stock is will be defined by the value it comes from my field. So I'm gonna add my constructor as well to give an initial stock. Yes. Where is my? No, not that one. Never mind. Let's delete it. I need a constructor, by the way. Where is my constructor? Generate constructor. Okay. Let's for stock. Okay. So when I create a new object of product, I'm going to give an initial stock with the thanks to constructor. Then let's delete it. Okay. And I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep these stocks in my property. And I'm going to add a logic here, but not yet. Okay. So I'm going to change my stock with this method. Let's make it minus. So it means, guys, let me make the long way. Stock minus cell. Okay. So when I run this method, I'm going to send a number, which is going to a kind of a selling method, and it helps me to change my stock quantity. All right. Now let me have a look. I'm going to give my initial stock with my constructor, and I do my cell operations with the cell void, and I need my logic here to create the warning for me. Okay, still I'm not using events. I'm trying to use if else statement. Okay, if stock level smaller, oh sorry, not that one. If stock level smaller than 15 and and product name equal, for example, cell phone, I can use that one, right? I want my application to give a notification me your product is about to finish. What if I would like to add, which one, the other one, USB memory, and name yes, USB memory. So what's gonna happen now? Let me have a look. Cell phone. Yes, another equals. Okay. So what if I have to add 750 more products? Now it is useless. So we now have to use, we should use events. Okay, let's leave it like that. So to do that, I'm going to assign here another property, actually event, which is going to be called product controller, and product controller event. This is going to be name of our event, and this is going to be our delegate. The first thing, the first important thing, events are working with the delegates. Let's create our delegate now. Let's say public. Where's my delegate? It's going to be void because I'm going to return a just message to my screen, and the name is going to be product controller, and say product. No, it's all right. Okay, perfect. Alright guys, I created a delegate with the name product controller with without any parameters, and it's returning void. So I'm going to use this product controller to use my event. Actually, when I triggered this event, and it's going to trigger my delegate, and this delegate trigger is going to trigger my void method, and I'm going to get my message. Okay, everything seems ready here. Let's continue our program CS file. Now I am going to bring my product here. Let's create a new product. Let's say HDD for hard disk. Let's say new product. Let's give a stock number, say 120. Let's create the other products as well. We have cell phone. Let's say 50. We have hard drive. We already at the hard drive, sorry, USB memory. USB mem. Let's say, no, I'm gonna make it 100 as well. LCD monitor. Okay, let's add this one 25. Perfect. I have 4 different products in my hand. Let's try to simulate selling action with for loop. Okay, I'm gonna make it just make it 24, 15, and every loop I would like to call my product sells. Let's sell my product. Every time I trigger my selling method, I want to sell 10 units of each product. Alright, let's see the console right line. The stocks, HDD, stock, and cell phone stock, and USB memory stock, LCD monitor stock. Okay, I didn't assign my event yet. Let me show you the result first. Where is my set as start a project? Okay, let's see, is it going to work? Okay, it seems it is working. Let me add here a console read line, and I can simulate much more easily, and it's going to wait my okay. First selling numbers is this one. This is our second selling numbers. The third one, fifth one. It is okay. Its simulation is working. Now I'm going to add my events here. So how can I do? So if you remember, I would like to sell to continue cell phone and USB memory. Let's go to cell phone. So I would like to add an event to cell phone stock. not here, sorry. Just a second. Cell phone dot. Let's click the events. Product controller event. Is that the one? Yeah, product controller event. Okay. To assign to event, use plus and equal. As you can see, cell phone product controller event is going to appear on your screen. Press tab to insert. Let's click and tab, and your method will be here. Okay. Um, so we're going to add our message. I'm going to say your product is about to finish. I think it's alright. Cell phone, event for cell phone. Let's add my USB memory. For USB memory, product controller event. Shift enter, perfect. I'm going to write this message again. Let's have a look. Now I'm going to delete this if else block because it's useless. Now all I need to do is if stock is smaller than 15, for example, or let's say 18, and product controller event is not null. What does that mean is not null? If I assigned, as you can see, I just assigned here, so if it's not null for the USB memory and the cell phone, but the other products, it is null. So if it's not null, I want my product controller event delegate work. Sorry, not that one. Event, not delegate, it's my bad, sorry. Product controller event work. Okay, so let's simulate our action now. This is our first result. Let's enter. We didn't see anything. Why we didn't receive anything? Let me have a look quickly. Should I add this event here? No, not here. One reference, perfect. Let's go back here. This is our product controller delegate. We assign here. If it's not null, it's going to be worked. Let's come here again. I'm going to put those events to the down. It makes me a little bit confused. Alright, let's keep it them down. Let's try one more time and see the results again. As you can see, it's working. Your product is about to finish. Which one? We need to add our names as well because I didn't see the names and I didn't understand which one is assigned for stock controller, which one is not. Okay, let's say here hdd dot name. Okay, let's copy, paste, and paste. Let's add cell phone, USB memory. Let's see the monitor. Okay, let's see the results now. Where is the names? HDD name. Oh, we didn't assign any name. Let's add their name as well. HDD dot name equal hard disk. Cell phone dot name is going to be cell phone. I'm just trying to simulate a good example for you guys. I could have show you with the basic informations, but I want you to understand very well because if it's really tricky subject, if someone teach you really confusing, there is no chance to understand this events. While I was studying this subject, when I was for a while ago, all the sources tells me um, it is just doing automatic events. But I'm always asking me, I can use if, why I should use the events. So it's a take time to understand between the if and this event logic, and I'm just directly try to focus this section, and I'm trying to teach you what is the exactly difference between the if and events. Okay, we have our names now. Let's have a quickly look which one is not written. Which one is not written? LCD, USB, cell phone. Which one is written? USB name. Oh, okay, USB name. Let's change. Let's amend this. Okay, it will be okay now. Okay, hard disk 110, cell phone 40, USB 90, LCD 40. Okay, let's sell 10 each of them. So we have less stock. Let's sell a little bit more. We have sold. Let's sell a little bit more. Okay, your product is about to finish. We received a message for which one? Let me have a look. Okay, we need to add our product name as well, I guess. Let's try to sell a little bit more. USB memory. Okay, your product is about to finish. We received the message, but we need to type our product's name as well. Let's add here. Where's my string interpolator? Not your product. Let's say here cell phone dot name. Let's put in string interpolator and USB mem dot name. Alright, let's try to simulate one more time. As you can, cell phone is about to finish. It's telling me many times cell phone is about to finish. But the problem is, yeah, cell phone is about to finish. USB memory is about to finish right now. Okay. So as you can see, our event is working. What if there is a new product you would like to assign for your stock control event? Only thing you need to do is just, for example, let's say you would like to continue the hard disk, and let's get your hard disk here and assign it to product controller event with plus and equal top, and I'm going to bring the downside. Alright, so all I need to do, assign the messages. Perfect. Let's use again and see the results. Cell phone is about to finish, USB is about to finish, and hard disk is about to finish. So this is how we're using events, guys. Don't forget, we are using delegates all the time. Let me have a look. If I would, this is returning void and there is no parameters here. I just wonder, can I use an action void instead of custom created one? Let's delete it. Let's say action instead of that one, and I have product controller event again. Let's try to use our Application again. Let's see, it's working. As I told you before, most of the time we are using our built-in delegates. If you remember, I show you how we can create our built-in events and how can we use them. You can add your action, function, or predicate events according to your logic here, and you can use them in your projects. Perfect. Let me see if it's there is an extra thing should I tell you. Okay. It seems everything is all right. Okay, guys. In this lesson, this is everything what I'm going to teach you. Hopefully you understand and you like my video. Let me assign my changes. Events. We are in development. All right, let's commit all. Save and commit. Perfect. Let's switch to the branch. Switch to the main branch. Check out. Right click on dev and merge them into the main. All right. Perfect. Thanks for watching my video. If you crush the like button, I will be really appreciated. It really motivates me to create new content. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop comments below the video. Take care of yourself, guys. See you on next lessons. Bye bye.